Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect Hollandaise sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. You'll also need a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for flavor. Set up a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get whisking. Place your egg yolks and lemon juice in the double boiler. Whisk them constantly until the mixture becomes light, frothy, and slightly thickened. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, slowly, and I mean very slowly, drizzle in your warm, melted butter while continuously whisking. This gradual addition is crucial for creating a stable emulsion and preventing the sauce from breaking. Once your Hollandaise has thickened to a beautiful, creamy consistency, it's time to season it. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to taste. If the sauce feels too thick, you can whisk in a few drops of warm water to achieve your desired texture. Remember, Hollandaise is best served fresh, so try to time its preparation with your meal. Enjoy this rich, velvety sauce with your favorite dishes. Even experienced cooks can have a Hollandaise break. If yours separates, don't panic. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of hot water or a fresh egg yolk to bring it back together. The key is to maintain a consistent, gentle heat throughout the process. If it gets too hot, remove it from the heat and whisk vigorously. For more culinary inspiration and to explore countless recipes, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.